what better than Sin food? So presenting a fat, juicy homemade burger, and it is going to be as good as anything that you eat in a restaurant. The patty is just fantastic. It melts in the mouth. It's full of juices, and it is great. And a mutton burger is always going to taste better than the regular chicken burgers that we eat. So come, let's see how this burger is made. Before we go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see the list of ingredients. So the ingredients for our mutton burger will be, we've taken 500 grams of minced mutton or keema. Of course, because we're making burgers, we need burger buns. We've made fresh homemade mayo. I'll be putting up a video of the mayo really soon. I've taken 2 large onions, which I have cut into half moon like pieces. Taken a small handful bunch of coriander leaves, butter. We'll be needing cheese singles. You can use any Britannia, Amul, whatever cheese that you get. For the seasoning, we'll be using fresh ground pepper. Then we'll be using some cayenne red pepper, or you can also use the Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll be using salt, some garlic granules. I've grated some cheese. We'll be needing 2 eggs, and we'll need extra virgin olive oil. So now let's come down to cooking. So first thing first, we have to prepare our onions. Now to prepare the onions, what we'll do is, in a saucepan, we just put some olive oil, and along with this we'll add just a bit of butter. And once it starts to heat, we'll add our onions to it. We'll add a little bit of salt. Now to this, so that it caramelizes and the sweetness of the onions are brought out really well, what we can do is we add a spoon of sugar. Not much, otherwise it's going to be sweet. Half a teaspoon of sugar. And we will let this cook on a low flame. We just let it be. We'll slowly keep cooking. Just keep tossing it in the middle every minute or so till the time the onions are not nicely caramelized. So this is done for the onions. Now we come to the keema. What we do is, first we separate our eggs. We just need to use the yolk. Okay, we get rid of the whites and get a yolk separate. We add a yolk to the keema. We repeat this with the second egg. Now to this we will add a cheese. The grated cheese that we have taken. This is optional. I love that cheesy. It gives a more juicy taste to your patty. We add the salt, the red chili and the garlic granules. You may or may not add onions. I don't add onions. I prefer to use my onions separately. You add your coriander leaves. You can also use parsley instead. And then you add your fresh pepper. So we've added everything and just mix everything really well. Now don't overwork. So we've got a grill on the gas. Okay, I would suggest that you put this on initially when you start mixing your keema, because we want the grill to be really hot. Now our keema is all mixed. We take a small bowl according to the size that we want. You don't have to press it like the way you would be working on a dough. Just make a small round shaped ball. Okay, it's lightly held together. If you hold it lightly, what happens is that it cooks really well. You take your thumb and you make a small hole in the center. Okay, now when you will cook this, you'll realize that it puffs up like a football. Now if you make a hole in the center, what happens is that it cooks evenly and it looks even. You don't get that puffed up look. Okay, and just put this one over here. I'll do one and I'll show it to you. Then we put some oil in our grill. We oil it well. Just wait for our oil to heat. We just put our patty on top. We're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. We'll turn it at 7 to 8 minutes. We will not turn it more than once, and once we put it, we will cover our grill. And now I'll see you in about 7 minutes when I have to turn it. We've flipped our patties. They've been cooking for almost 10 minutes now, almost 12 minutes in fact. Now what we do at this stage is, as you see, I've put an extra patty in the meantime, put some cheese on top. Put some cheese on the second one even. And we cover it. And we leave this for about 30 seconds till the cheese is going to melt. In the meantime, we will go to start cooking our bun. So you should always toast your bun. Toasted bun is fantastic. Okay, take some butter, let it melt. Just put the buns on top. So let's start assembling our burger. So what we'll do is first we take some mayo. We'll put some mayo over here. I've taken some tomatoes which I've cut round. Okay, we just put a few tomatoes on top. And on this comes our burger patty. Top of that, put a few of the caramelized onions. Put a little bit more. And top it off with a little bit of mayo on the other side. And that's it. Our burger is ready. You want to fix it? You can fix it with toothpick, and you serve this with ketchup. You can serve it with fries, however you want. It just tastes fantastic. Really fast, easy to make, and really juicy. One thing I forgot to mention is when you're choosing your keema, tell your butcher to put extra fat in the keema. That is going to hold your patty together really well. And enjoy the recipe. Happy cooking. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Comment on how it went for you. Share your recipes on Instagram with us. And I'll see you soon in the next video.